Hello. So again, this is just a video that will help you review what we learned on Friday and also to help you um, to explain the instructions for today's activities a little bit better. If you think you can do the activities without watching this video, then go ahead. You do not have to watch this, and you can continue on your way. This is just extra help. So on Friday, if you guys don't remember, we read an article on Mount Everest, and it talked about how there's a lot of trash in Mount Everest. And we used this article to find superlatives. And superlatives are when we compare more than two things, we use this form to change our adjectives, right? And then we looked at some examples. And basically what you have to do is you have to add an EST ending to your adjectives. That is what we learned, and we did all these activities that go along with it. Okay, so today's activities is just more practice on what you did on Friday. So for example, this first activity says complete the sentences. And the sentences have to do with the article you read on Friday. If you do not remember the article, I did put up a link to a video that summarizes the article, if just to help you, but you don't have to watch it. Only if you need it, you can watch it. Okay? But basically what you have to do is just look at the word in the parentheses and change it into the superlative form. And I did the first one for you as an example. So aquí la palabra era big. The superlative form of big is biggest, and that is what I wrote down. One thing to note though is if you remember in the comparative form, where is it? In the comparative form, we had to change the word, but then add then. In the superlative form, it's different. You have to add the in front. Okay, so it's the biggest. Aquí sería the y después la palabra. The y después la palabra. Okay, so don't forget to add the. I forgot to mention that on Friday. If you do not remember how to change where the adjectives or adverbs into the superlative form, I do have this sheet up on Schoology to help you. And you just look at this row or this column right here. Okay, so these are the rules. If the word ends in E, just add ST. See, if it ends in a vowel and one consonant, like this word, EST. And you double the consonant. Okay, so aquí les dicen las reglas. Y acuérdense que hay unas palabras que no nomás se tiene que poner el EST ending, sino que tienen que cambiar la palabra completa. Se convierte en otra palabra diferente. So, por ejemplo, aquí tenemos good, se cambia a best. Bad se cambia a worst. Okay, so use this sheet to help you with your work for today. Once you are done with that activity, you move on to this one where you have to make your own sentences. You have to do 5 sentences donde van a hablar de su familia otra vez. No más que esta vez van a usar el superlative form. Okay? Y aquí les tengo unos ejemplos de cómo van a ser sus oraciones. So, my sister is the youngest of the family. My dog, Bambi, is the meanest dog in our family. Okay, so look at these examples to help you with your sentences, but do not use my example sentences. If you use these sentences, it will not count. So make your own. No usen las que tengo aquí. Tienen que hacer sus propias oraciones para esta actividad. Después de hacer sus oraciones, van a clicar a este link los va a llevar al Buckaroo. Van a cliquear, van a hablar, van a leer sus oraciones en voz alta, lo van a grabar, save and share. Yo lo que quiero es este link, lo van a copiar y lo van a poner aquí. ¿Ok? Y después de eso van a la última actividad de hoy, que es un video quiz. So, van a cliquear este link, los va a llevar a un video. Y este video tiene 12 preguntas que tienen que contestar. Y cuando terminan de hacer eso, van a poner su calificación aquí. Okay? And that's it. That's all you have to do for today. If you have any questions, if you don't understand something still, feel free to message me through email or Schoology. And I hope you guys have a good rest of your week because I don't get to see you even through Zoom because of Thanksgiving break. So I hope you enjoy your break and bye.